nanoparticles, invisible to the human eye, can help treat diseases, clean the environment, and create smarter technology.
This is the world of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is the science and engineering of materials at the nanoscale.
Gulat ka, no? At these tiny scales, materials have unique properties that scientists use to create innovative solutions for other industries.
So, nanotechnology is improving medicine, electronics, energy, agriculture, and environmental protection through advanced technologies. Here you go. Oh. 1, 2, 3, go!
In this video, we'll explore what nanotechnology is, how it works, its application, advantages, challenges, and its impact on our daily lives. Let's begin.
Nanotechnology is the science and engineering of materials at the nanoscale 1 to 100 nanometers. At this tiny size, materials have unique properties that improve the performance of products and technologies. Nanotechnology is used in medicine to make treatment safer, more effective, and more precise. It helps doctors treat diseases such as cancer while reducing harm to healthy cells. Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Traditional chemotherapy kills cancer cells but also damages healthy cells. Chemotherapy drugs are enclosed inside tiny nanoparticles. The nanoparticles travel through the bloodstream. Some nanoparticles can also recognize specific markers on cancer cells. The drug is released directly into or near the tumor, helping destroy cancer cells while reducing damage to healthy tissues. Nanotechnology helps deliver medicine directly to cancer cells, making treatment more targeted and safer. Delivers chemotherapy drugs directly to tumors. Improves drug absorption. Can help detect tumors through imaging. Possible risk or limitation of nanotechnology. Expensive compared to conventional chemotherapy. Long-term effects of some nanomaterials are still being studied. Nanotechnology improves cancer treatment by making medicines more effective and reducing harmful side effects. Benefits patient, doctors, hospitals, and researchers by improving survival rates and advancing medical technology. Technology has transformed cancer treatment by allowing medicine to target cancer cells more accurately while minimizing damage to healthy cells. This innovation offers patients safer, more effective treatment and hope for better outcomes. Cancer treatment is no longer just about fighting disease, it's about treating patients more safely and effectively. Through nanotechnology, medicine is becoming smarter, more precise, and more compassionate. As consumer and future professionals, we should stay informed about this innovation and support technologies that improve the healthcare and save lives. As criminology students, understanding nanotechnology is important because it demonstrates how science and technology contribute to public health, medical investigations, forensic science, and innovation that improve society.